My name is Sarah Tabrizi. I'm a professor of neurology at UCL's Institute of Neurology and a consultant neurologist at the National Hospital for Neurology and Neurosurgery in Queen Square. My research group works on Huntington's disease, which is an inherited neurodegenerative disease which is currently incurable. It causes movements, abnormal movements of the body, thinking problems and neuropsychiatric problems. It affects people at about the age of 40. It's inherited. And if one of your parents is affected, you have a 50-50 chance of inheriting the gene. In our research, we're working towards trying to find therapies for Huntington's disease. And we're doing this in many different ways. In this project, we're going to try and develop new ways of looking in the brains of models of Huntington's disease to try and see if we can track disease progression better and also measure the abnormal protein in the brains of living models. The reason this is important is that we're trying to develop therapies that target the mutant Huntington protein. If we have better ways of measuring the protein and progression in brain imaging, then this will help all the work going towards trying to find therapies for Huntington's disease. So I'm focusing on supervising the clinical part of the project and will provide the expertise on Huntington's disease and neurodegeneration. I'm now going to hand over to my partner in this project, Professor Xavier Golay, who's going to provide the expertise in the imaging part of the project. Now, over to you, Xavier.
Hi, my name is Xavier Golay. I'm a professor of MR physics at the Institute of Neurology. I've been trained as a physicist and engineer, and my area of specialty is the development of novel imaging techniques using MRI to be used as biomarker of diseases. As explained by my colleague Sarah, we are going to work on this project on the development of novel readouts to be used in therapies, both in models as well as in patients with Huntington's disease. These novel imaging methods are actually based on advanced MRI technologies such as advanced diffusion imaging or chemical exchange saturation transfer. We look forward to seeing you and to meeting you to work on this project, because this is one of the only places in the world where you will be able to work on these cutting-edge imaging technologies in collaboration with one of the best researchers in the world on Huntington's disease.